9TD up to Holland South, 900.
30 crossing over to New Jersey side and south at 5.
Center Lincoln North 9.
Hudson traffic, 550 Golf, Alpine Tower, northbound, 12,000.
Wow, that's incredible. Okay, there's downtown Manhattan.
River traffic 2 Tango Alpha is coming up on the clock. Descending around the battery from the north tip. We're switching.
Oh, there's a banner tower.
Traffic.
Center Tobo Basin North 9.
2 traffics.
Yep.
Traffic.
Alright, we got him.
A third.
Traffic.
Yep, there's the third one. Look.
Keep
That
your
was
eyes
good.
open.
Where's the Intrepid?
Traffic.
The west inbound lane,
Traffic.
requesting airport advisory.
Is that our altitude?
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't understand how you can hit someone. If you stay at the same altitude.
See if I can get him.
We've got a passenger with a rental car, but other than that, it'll be negative fuel for Columbia County for the King Air. Yeah, Venezuela, F tank, 1,000 north.
Skyhawk, GWB, 1,200 feet northbound.
Skyhawk southbound 700 feet at the clock.
Bravo Hotel piloted. Mike Hendricks.
Are you gonna slow down for the lady, huh?
Wow, look how close we are to that. That's so freaky. Mary's in there right now.
There it is.
Traffic.
Alright, freehanding.
9 Tango Delta coming out of Buttermilk at 5, south tip to the lady, 500.
Skyhawk is turning northbound at the lady, 800.
Hey, you got a helicopter at 12 o'clock at 500, you got me?
Inside, no factor.
Thank you. Staying at that altitude?
Yeah, we'll be up here.
Good work, Joe. Where is she? Alright, sit forward. Good.
Check out what's about to come fly under us.
Columbia County King Air 629 Romeo Papa's 10 to the west for 21. And it looks like we'll be making an overhead, probably midfield overhead for the downwind for 21.
7 Tango Delta, North Hudson Park south, out of 1.4 down to 900 south.
This is like a
Skyhawk northbound Alpine Tower,
an adventure.
1,100 feet.
Oh, that's all the way up there.
7TD, you'll be in the boat facing south, 900.
Skyhawk's at the clock, 700 northbound.
Oh my god.
I know, this is unreal. Trying to keep it as steady as possible, but it's pretty bumpy.
TD, Lincoln South, 900. Hudson traffic, Piper 50 Golf, southbound, Alpine Tower, altitude 1.2 thousand.
Red Copter 0 Romeo uniform, North Hudson Park southbound, descending through 1.3 for 900. For the VC.
There's Madison Square Garden.
And Romeo uniforms, Lincoln Tunnel south 900.
7 Tiger Delta, Holland Tunnel out of 800 down to 500 south. By the Staten Island.
And we got some cruise ships docked.
90, do you have you northbound there? We're just southbound on the other side here.
Traffic.
Arizona at 1.1.
Yep.
Got you in sight. 4, we lost to 200 feet by the Bayonne Piers.
200 feet. Skyhawk Intrepid northbound, 700.
And 130 IU is coming up, Stevens southbound 900.
7 Tango Delta Goldman Sachs, 500 round the battery into downtown, switching.
Yeah, 130 IU is Holland Tunnel southbound 900. And red helicopter 130 IU is coming up, Goldman Sachs 900 descending around the battery for Wall Street.
And Hudson traffic, 2TA, south tip 5, direct station.
3-0, Bravo Hotel, ready to go southbound.
On the go, 2T0I4.
Bravo Hotel's on the go.
Hudson traffic, Sikorsky is Holland Tunnel, southbound Jersey side, 900 feet. Arrow is Arrow is Statue of Liberty, 900 feet northbound, making some turns around the statue at 900. You call that 900? That's good. 900 according to my GPS.
San Antonio's hashtag south 9.
Bravo Hotel, Alpha 30 is headed for Stevens, southbound 500 feet mid-river.
CA's coming off the backside of the statue, climbing for Newark. We're still maintaining visual with the arrow at 9. And the arrow is still making the turn around the statue at 900 because of Sikorsky site. Hey, Sikorsky's in a left turn. We have the fixed wing and the helicopter south of us there. We're making a left turn, be back up the Hudson River 900 feet.
Bravo Hotel, Holland Tunnel,
There's
500
Yankee
feet
Stadium.
southbound mid-river.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Miss it. Huge.
And arrow northbound at the statue turns 900.
Traffic.